Hey everyone, so just wanted to come on this video and talk about the difference between needing and having. Okay, so when you need your desire or you need your manifestation or you need money, right? You are coming from a clingy and lack place, okay? And so just when you say, I need money, feel the energy of that. So say out loud, I need money, and feel the tightening and the anxiety and the chasing and the wanting, the desire, all of that kind of thing, right? Now, the key to successful manifestation is in the already having of your desire, right? So if we say, I have the money I desire, can you feel the difference in that? Like, feel the difference in the energy where it's more, I have the money I desire. Even just saying that, I can breathe. I can breathe better, right? And so, by you saying, I need money, it's like so anxious, right? Or I need this manifestation. I need this thing. I need this relationship. I need this job. You're coming from a place of lack and, it's only going to produce more lack in your life. But if you tell yourself, I have the money I desire, I have the relationship I desire, I have everything I desire, you're stepping into the energy of already having, right? And then it manifests much faster because you see your subconscious mind needs to align with your conscious mind. So by you saying, I have this and I have that, right? You need to then confirm that in the outside world. And so then it manifests, okay, and comes into your life, right? So I just wanted to really talk about that, because I want you to know the difference between needing and having. And the key to manifestation is in the already having of your desire. Because if you're in the need, it's like it's always in front of you. It's not within you. It's not in your reality. But if you have it, you're there, you've got it, and it will come much quicker. Alrighty, so you can speed it all up very quickly by having this mindset shift. All right, let me know if this has resonated. Let me know if you felt the difference between the need and the have. And if you like the video, make sure you like it so I know to bring you more. Subscribe and then hit the bell notification, because then you're notified of upcoming videos and readings that I do. And I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.